video. And look what we got! Yay! It's a side-by-side Samsung refrigerator that I bought for my mom. And we bought it today. So pretty. No? Ang reason kung bakit namin ito binili, kasi yung dati naming ref ay it's not working anymore. So, ayun. Ang gagawin natin for today is ililipat natin lahat ng mga tira nating food.
Wait lang.
Ay,
Unbox muna natin.
i-unbox muna natin. Sorry. Unbox muna Unbox muna tayo ng bagong ref and then ililipat natin yung mga meron tayong natirang food from here to the new ref. Nag-a-alarm siya kapag ang tagal nang nakabukas ng ref. Kasi may smart technology doon. Ah! Ang sarap pakinggan!
Hey guys, tingnan niyo yung Coke. Coca-Cola bottle.
Wow! So, yan muna ang paglalagay natin. Okay. Leftover ice cream. Leftover chobani. Hot dogs. And mandu. Okay, so next ay... Sige, push girl. I-open
Cool,
mo.
be? Ay, sorry.
I-push expression yun, te. Biscuits. Chocolates.
Mojos.
Mojos. Pizza. Milk. Yakult. Mangoes. Perfect. Perfect. So, we're done. Ipakita mo. Open everything. So, nalagay na namin ang everything. Whee! Bye!
Ouch.